Looking at aishajewelry.com for those cute pendants and bracelets you saw in an ad? Before you hit buy now, we're breaking down whether this jewelry shop is real and trustworthy or a high-risk fake. Let's get into it. So aishajewelry.com presents itself as a stylish online boutique selling rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings with heavy closing sale deals and dramatic discounts up to 80% off. The homepage even tells a story about a brand's legacy to make it look legitimate. Here's why it might initially seem okay. The site uses HTTPS encryption, which is standard for secure browsing. A contact email appears on the site, something real stores typically list. These basics are expected for most online shops, but they don't prove reliability or legitimacy. But there are big warning signs here. Trust analyzers give very low scores. Scam Detector rated the site 22.8 out of 100, signaling suspicious and unsafe activity. Scam Advisor flags it as a very young and possibly a scam site, with hidden WHOIS ownership and low-ranking traffic. Ads promoting massive closing sale discounts with urgency are commonly used by scam stores to pressure buyers. Independent reviews or verified feedback outside the website are essentially non-existent. Legitimate retailers usually have external reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or forums. So is aishajewelry.com a real online store? Right now, it's high risk and unproven. Low trust scores, a brand new domain with hidden ownership, and classic scam style promotions suggest you should avoid buying until there's a clear verified customer feedback from trusted third party sources. The bottom line, if a jewelry store shows too good to be true pricing, lacks real external reviews, and uses flashy closing ads, treat it with caution. Don't enter your card details until you're sure it's legit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.